This week we bring you two amazing products for back posture. Watch till the end to see the benefits yourself.
What if you could improve your balance, prevent back pain, and strengthen your back muscles with just a simple click of a button? Or in other words, improve your posture. We are Powerbank RG. We have created UpCore, the first back brace system that works the deep layers of your muscles for you to truly improve your posture in the long term. Are you slouching right now? Then you most likely need this. A child on your shoulders for 15 hours every day. Now imagine what this does to your posture and back. The good news is that we have a simple, clinically tested, and easy-to-use solution that really works. UpCore is the world's first patented back brace device that seamlessly strengthens your core and back muscles in just 14 days, allowing you to maintain good posture all day, every day. UpCore's second and unique advantage is its FDA-cleared EMS and TENS wireless technology, which tones, strengthens, and relieves your back and core muscles. EMS technology is used by NASA as it's the most effective method to work out targeted muscles. EMS sends soft pulses to the muscles, triggering hundreds of muscle contractions.
Neutral Ergonomic Chair. Back us now and feel the ultimate sitting experience for all occasions. Fitting solution. Neutral Ergonomic Chair. Now let me show you the magic behind this chair. Feel instant comfort as soon as you sit down. It can automatically move along the waist. Adaptive lower back support to reduce lumbar disc pressure at any position. Feel comfortable and enjoy the support around your waist when working all day long. It automatically adjusts the back support to maintain a comfortable sitting position. It tilts back in wide angle and adapts to the curve of your back. Experience maximum comfort at all times.
Wow, it's amazing!
See you tomorrow. Bye!
The neck support can be easily adjusted to any desired angle.
Only these?
Of course not. With the adaptive backrest, you can relax your muscles after a long day, and it's like a mini workout.
Oh, fantastic workout.
Neutral Ergonomic Chair. Back us now and feel the ultimate sitting experience for all occasions.